Good morning, children. Welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School, Mudod. Let's start the mathematics class. We were discussing about word problems in the previous class and we solved up to 8 questions. Question number 8 is also finished in the previous class. So page number 17. Now 9th question. Okay, just see, read the question and try to understand it. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay, there is a cloth. How much it is? 40 meter. Okay, then they need to stitch the shirts. So per shirt, one shirt will take 2 meter 15 centimeter of cloth. So we should find the number of shirts can be stitched by 40 meter cloth and how much cloth will remain. So take the data, solution. Okay, total cloth is equal to cloth is equal to how much? 40 meter. Just convert this into the centimeter. 40 into 100 centimeter. So that is 4000 centimeter. Next, cloth to stitch one shirt is equal to how much? 2 meter 15 centimeter. This also should convert to the centimeter. 2 into 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is 215 centimeter. So now number of shirts can stitch in 40 meter is equal to, what we should do is this one 4000 divided by 215 centimeter we should do. So do it, 4000 and 215. So 215 ones are 215. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. Then 0 is down. Take it. 2015 8s are 215 8s are 8 2s are 16 and 17. So 8s are how much? 1720. 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 7, 1 and 0. So 130 centimeter will remain. This is reminder. Okay. Thus, this is the number of shirts. 18 shirts can stitch and 130 centimeter are 1 meter 30 centimeter 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. Okay, understood? There is a question that is total cloth is 40 meter, that we have converted into 40 meter. Okay, 40 meter we should convert to centimeter. So 1 meter is equal equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 40 into 100 centimeter, if we convert, it will become 4000 centimeter. So out of 4000 centimeter, how many shirts can be stitched? Now see, cloth for one shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. This also we will convert to centimeter. That is 200 plus 15 centimeter. So 215 centimeter is the cloth for one shirt. So this divided by this, if we do, we will get the answer 18. The quotient is 18. So 18 shirts can be stitched, and 1 meter, remainder is 130 centimeter. So 130 you convert to meter and centimeter. So 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. Okay. I hope you understood this. We'll go for next question. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Okay, now see. Medicine is packed in a boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Okay, box. Weight of box is equal to 4 kg 500 gram. Okay. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Okay. Now see, load van can have weight of the van. Weight to be in van is equal to how much? 800 kg. So now what we should do is, this is also the example for division. This we should convert to gram, and this should also convert to gram. 4 kg 500 gram, it means 4500 gram. 800 kg if we convert to gram, what will become? 800 into 1000 gram. So totally, again 3 zeros. This will become ones group, 1000 group, lakh, 8 lakh. So number of boxes in van is equal to, how much we should do? 8 lakh divided by 4500. So do it. 4,500. So first one, 4,500 ones are 4,500. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Then 4,500 sevens are 70, 70, 35. 7 fours are 31,500. So take next zeros. 1 0 you take. So 7s are 31,500. 0 0, 10 minus 5 5, 5 minus 1 3, and 0. Again take next 0. Same again we got. So for 7s are 35,000. Sorry, 31,500. again we will get 5 minus 2, 3,500 will be the remainder. So if we take again, it will become 107.5. So around we will take 177. Thus, how much boxes can the van have? 177 box can be loaded in the van. Okay, try to understand the question. There is some medicine box. So one box can carry 4 kg 500 gram. So like this many boxes we should load into the van so that van can carry up to 800 kg. So 800 kg van, how many boxes of 4500 gram can be load into the van? So the weight of one box is 4500. So weight can carry in the van is 8 lakh. So gram it is. So do the division. It will become 177.7. Thus one box. So the total amount of boxes are 177 boxes can be loaded in the van. Okay, let's go for the next question. The distance between the school and student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both the ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So, solution. Distance from home to school is equal to how much? 1 kilometer 875 meter. She walks both. So morning she has to go and she has to come back. So 2 times she will do this. So first convert this 1 kilometer and 875 meter into meter. That will become 1875 meter into 2, because 2 times she will walk this much distance, because morning she will go from home to the school, again from home to school she will come. So into 2 we should do. How much we will get? Into 2. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 3750 meter. So the distance in a both the way, morning and evening, both the time the distance is 3750 meter. So this is distance to walk in a day. It is 1 day she has to walk this much distance. Like that, how many days she will go? Every day walks both the ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So distance in 6 days. So 6 days she has to walk this much, every day this much means, so 3750 meter into 6 days. If we do, we will get the answer. Do it into 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45, 6 3s are 18, 19 20 21 22. So the distance is 22,500. This we should convert into 22,500 meter it is. So we should convert to meter and kilometer. So how to do this? That we should do 22,000 plus 500 meter. So this will become divided by 1000. This will become meter now, 500 meter. So this and this will cancel. So 22 meter, 50, 500, sorry, this is kilometer, and 500 meter. So thus she walks 22 kilometer, 500 meter in 6 days from her home to school. Okay, 22 kilometers, 500 meter. Just we will check the answer behind. This is 1.2. We are having answers behind in the page number 1.2, question number 11. 22 kilometers and 500 meter. Yes, this is correct. Next question. Read the next 12th question. So 12th. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? Okay, a vessel is the curd. The vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of curd. Capacity of a vessel is equal to how much? 2 liter 500 ml. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? Once again, a vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? Okay. One vessel is having 2 liter 500 ml of curd. So this has to convert into ml. That will become 2500 ml of curd should be divided into 25 ml of capacity glasses. Capacity of glass is equal to 25 ml. Okay. Now, how many glasses can fill? The capacity of glass is 25 into ml. So, this is the division problem. So, 25. 25 ones are 25. So, just think on it. 2500 ml. This is 25. It has to be 180 glasses. 4 liter. Sorry, this is 4 liter. I think. 4 liter 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are, it will become 50. So 25 ones are 25, 0, 2, take next. 25 how much? 200. So 25 8s are 200. So 25 8s are 200. One more 0 is remaining. Let's send to the quotient. So 25 ones are 25, 25 80s are 500. Okay. Now thus curd can be made by a vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? Okay. The 25 ml of curd can fill in 25 ml of curd can fill in 180 glasses. I hope you understood. This is nothing but the basic concepts. Conversion of measurement, doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. If you are very perfect with the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the conversions of measurement, then you can solve the question very easily. Before that you should understand the question properly. Okay. If you understand the question and what to do, then you can solve the problem very easily. Okay. We will continue the estimation. What to do? Estimation means round upping and doing sum or difference or product like this. Okay. We will continue the estimation in the next class. Thank you.